What's up, guys? It's the Hot Man, a mechanic. Today we got this old battery from Lisa's son's Jonah. He took it out of his Dodge Challenger. I think he's got a 2011 Challenger. And they were gonna trash this, I think, but I asked them if I could have it, and they said yes. So today our goal is let's use it for some sort of solar or wind power today. So we're gonna take this Dodge Challenger battery. We're gonna check it. We're gonna put a charge on it. We're gonna get it all beefed up, and then we're gonna hook it up to something. All right, cool. All right, we got Harbor Freight clips here. They go to this. Man, I'm sorry, guys. It's hard videotaping with one hand here and doing other stuff. And I'm using the lens of the camera. Let's plop these together. All right, so we got the Harbor Freight plugs. We're gonna run it to this here cigarette lighter, and I got a Jackery, little Jackery. So let's plug this here to there. And then first let's read our Jackery display. What do we got? Man, this camera does not focus. Sorry, guys. Okay, watch this. DC on, hopefully it doesn't blow. Boom. Now let's get our voltmeter hooked up. And now let's see if we can get a reading. Doesn't seem to be going up. All right, I'll be back. All right, I think I got it working. See on the output, it says 1 watt. So we got 1 watt coming out, charging this battery. I'm gonna try to hook this battery up to a wind turbine today. Also, we got a side project. I was trying to be creative, and I cut my Jackery charger and I mutilated it and mangled it into this mess because I was trying to take the main wire and plug it into a solar panel. Obviously it didn't work. So I gotta fix this today. I'm gonna clean this up. So maybe we'll do a video on that too. All right, I cut up my Jackery charger. As you can see, here's the problem. So we're gonna clean it up because God is a God of perfect cleanliness and order. So let's get our wires nice and neat and ordered and reconnected so they work. So we fixed up our cord connector. We cleaned it up. I'm gonna wrap electrical tape around this now. I did heat shrink on one, but it's just overkill. The other ones are tight. So now we got our plug-in cord for our Jackery fixed. We're gonna wrap our electrical tape. And as far as our battery, from the Jackery now, it's running to our battery. And then here's our voltmeter. I've already got a watt pulled in on this thing in like 20 minutes, which means it's working. It's starting to charge. Let's see here. I can do it with one hand. One. Boom. $11.95. There we go. It's going up a watt now. Yeah, it's gonna work. So I'm gonna supercharge this battery up probably for 24 hours since it's just going 1 watt at a time. But hey, it's working, right? So we're gonna supercharge this bad boy, and then we're gonna hook it up to something. Hey guys, so I know it seems like I'm tweaking out, but I'm going somewhere with this video. So what we're gonna do, I'm charging the battery. I'm gonna connect this here battery to this here 750 watt inverter. Here's the cords for that. I'm gonna hook it up with those cords. So the inverter's gonna connect to this battery once it's done charging up. Then I'm gonna take the battery and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna hook it up to. This was like part 1. I'm experimenting with new wind power because the tribulation is coming and we need to figure out how to have energy on our own without relying on Big Brother or anything. And I'm staying up at Uncle Ernie's cabin for the couple days to this bad boy here I've been working on. So we got this thing here that I've been wiring and plugging away at. So all these, I got a 3 wirelet adapter that's going to turn it into a positive negative, which will plug into that battery. And that's that. So we got that windmill to the charge controller, which I'm building. Super easy. To the battery to the inverter. The finished product, wind power.